So Geofabrics is an Australian company with manufacturing plants right here in Australia and indeed in regional Australia. We employ over 200 people and have a local supplier network of well over 1,500 companies, and those companies employ over 150,000 Australians. Over the past 2 years, Australia has experienced close to zero GDP growth. In fact, the weakest growth in 10 years. We've endured bushfires, drought, floods, and the COVID-19 pandemic. So as a nation, I think we must aspire to rebuild Australian manufacturing. And why should we refocus on manufacturing products right here in Australia? Well, the opportunity to create jobs, to create employment, and indeed to create wealth for Australia by Australians. So it's not just one solution that will contribute to reclaiming manufacturing in Australia. The role of government in regards to procurement policy, the role of government in regards to incentivising through grants and through R&D tax concessions, and equally there's a responsibility for industry to innovate, to look for opportunities, to develop a niche within their segments and within their industry to become a manufacturer of difference. And that cohesive effort between industry and government, I think, will start to set a framework for recapturing the manufacturing heartland of Australia.